HAL Tejas Mk2 India's leap toward next-generation air power. Modern air combat demands speed, precision, and technological dominance. As regional and global air forces evolve, India's answer to these challenges takes shape in the form of the HAL Tejas Mk2. This advanced fighter aircraft represents a major step forward from earlier Tejas variants, aiming to bridge the gap between light combat aircraft and full-scale multirole fighters. It is not merely an upgrade, but a transformation built to meet the demands of 21st century warfare. Evolution from the Tejas program. The Tejas Mk2 is a product of decades of experience gained through India's indigenous fighter development journey. Developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in collaboration with DRDO, the Mk2 builds upon lessons learned from the Tejas Mk1 and Mk1A. While the earlier variants focused on replacing aging MiG-21 fleets, the Mk2 is designed to compete with modern 4th and A-half generation fighters on the global stage. This new variant introduces significant structural, aerodynamic, and avionics changes, making it a far more capable platform than its predecessors. Airframe design and aerodynamics. One of the most noticeable changes in the Tejas Mk2 is its larger and redesigned airframe. The fuselage has been lengthened, and the wings have been modified to improve lift, stability, and payload capacity. These changes allow the aircraft to carry more fuel internally, extending its combat range without relying heavily on external fuel tanks. The aircraft retains a delta wing configuration, optimized for high-speed performance and agility. Advanced composite materials continue to play a major role in construction, reducing radar cross-section and overall weight while increasing structural strength. Engine power and performance. At the heart of the Tejas Mk2 lies the powerful GEF 414 turbofan engine. This engine delivers significantly more thrust than the powerplant used in earlier Tejas variants, enabling superior acceleration, higher top speed, and better performance at high altitudes. The improved thrust-to-weight ratio enhances maneuverability in close combat while also supporting heavier weapon loads. With this engine, the Tejas Mk2 is expected to achieve supersonic cruise capabilities under certain conditions, placing it firmly among modern multirole fighters. Advanced avionics and sensors. The Tejas Mk2 features a state-of-the-art avionics suite designed for network-centric warfare. At its core is an active electronically scanned array radar, providing superior target detection, tracking, and engagement capabilities compared to traditional mechanically scanned radars. The cockpit is equipped with a glass cockpit layout, wide area displays, and a hands-on throttle and stick system. These features reduce pilot workload and enhance situational awareness during high-intensity combat operations. Integrated electronic warfare systems allow the aircraft to detect, jam, and evade enemy radar and missile threats effectively. Weapons and multirole capability. Designed as a true multirole fighter, the Tejas Mk2 can perform air superiority, ground attack, maritime strike, and reconnaissance missions. It is capable of carrying a wide range of air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, and anti-ship weapons. With multiple hardpoints and increased payload capacity, the aircraft can engage multiple targets in a single sortie. Compatibility with both indigenous and international weapon systems gives the Indian Air Force operational flexibility in diverse combat scenarios. Survivability and combat readiness. Survivability is a key focus of the Tejas Mk2's design philosophy. Reduced radar signature, advanced countermeasure systems, and robust flight control software improve the aircraft's chances of survival in contested airspace. The quadruplex digital fly-by-wire system ensures precise control even under extreme combat maneuvers or partial system failures. The aircraft is also designed for high availability and rapid turnaround times, allowing it to sustain prolonged operations during conflicts. Strategic importance for India. The Tejas Mk2 plays a crucial role in strengthening India's air combat capability while reducing dependence on foreign aircraft imports. It supports the country's broader defense self-reliance initiative and strengthens domestic aerospace expertise. Once inducted, the Mk2 is expected to replace older medium-weight fighters and complement heavier platforms like the Su-30 Mki and future fifth-generation projects. Its deployment will significantly enhance the Indian Air Force's ability to respond to regional threats and maintain air superiority. Future outlook and global interest. As development progresses, the Tejas Mk2 is drawing attention beyond India's borders. Several countries seeking cost-effective yet capable fighter solutions are closely watching its progress. Continuous upgrades, indigenous systems integration, and future variants could further expand its operational lifespan well into the coming decades. Conclusion: a new chapter in indigenous aviation. The HAL Tejas Mk2 represents more than just an aircraft, it symbolizes India's growing confidence in its technological and industrial capabilities. With enhanced power, advanced avionics, and true multi-role flexibility, it stands poised to become a cornerstone of modern air combat. As it moves closer to operational service, the Tejas Mk2 marks a decisive leap toward the future of indigenous military aviation.